Hi, in this video, I will teach you how to install Trello on PC or desktop. First, all you have to do is to open your Microsoft Store. Just search Microsoft Store in the search bar and open it. The great thing is you can install any apps here in Microsoft Store without any account. You don't need to log in. But in case you already have an account, it's okay. All you have to do is to search Trello and you can click it and tap or click the get button. After that, you can wait until it will be installed. It been installed, you can open it and just like opening in the website, you just tap continue. In case you don't have an account in Trello, you can sign up, but here I will log in my account. So you can log in your Trello. You can now open your Trello app in your desktop or PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on notification bell and subscribe for more updates.